Hello and welcome to Puta-Pan Animation's Cooking Club. Today we're making vegan chocolate ice cream in only 3 easy steps and with only 3 ingredients, which are bananas, any non-dairy cream and cocoa. Step 1. Take 3 bananas, peel and chop them. Then put the pieces in the freezer and wait for 2 hours. Step 2. Put the frozen banana pieces in a mixer. Add half a cup of oat cream, soy cream or similar, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa. Step 3. Mix it. You can also add any ingredient that you fancy, like cinnamon, vanilla or chili. And look, now it's done. Invite a friend and share this tasty treat.